New tonight, Ottawa County Health employees forming a union. A representative telling Fox 17 they want to protect their fellow workers.
Our Matt Whitkos has been working on the developments. He joins us live in the control room with the very latest. Matt.
Yeah, well, a union negotiator says it's because their county board's actions. Tom Niebor says they joined ASFCME. He says this formation started well before the proposed cuts were made to the health department.
Stability and the ability to do our jobs.
Tom Niebor is one of the many employees who are now part of a union in Ottawa County Health Department. Earlier this week, hundreds of people showing their support to health employees as they walked out after their shift.
It felt reassuring that there are people out there that want to have a health department. So it felt really good for a lot of people.
Niebor says after the Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Department got shut down, they looked at protecting themselves.
We kind of saw that the board was targeting us specifically. A lot of specific positions within the health department felt that their jobs were in jeopardy, rightly so.
In April, a vote. Niebor says half of the employees sent in their decision, 41 people saying yes and 4 saying no to the unionization.
It was very difficult to even argue for a union before the new board came on and brought all this instability because we were treated well.
Niebor works as a food inspector for the health department. Before taking on that role, he was a COVID-19 contact tracer. But after people retired and openings became available, he transitioned to his new role. According to the new proposed FY24 Ottawa County budget, his department won't see cuts, but he still worries about his coworkers and the programs they serve.
What the board is doing in defunding the health department is trying to prevent us from doing our job. But we still want to do our job because people need it.
The Ottawa County Board has yet to vote to finalize a budget. Last month, a back and forth over health funding. Chairperson Joe Moss suggested cutting the public health funding down to $2.5 million and no COVID-19 grants. Health Officer Adeline Hambley says that kind of reduction to the general fund contribution would close her office. She says a new draft was then made by County Administrator John Gibbs and Fiscal Services. Their suggestions saw significant cuts to health education, immunization, and family planning programs.
We're just, working people trying to do their job and want to do it for the county we love. So
Niebor says ASFCME has filed a lawsuit because county leaders weren't meeting to discuss a contract. Fox 17 hasn't independently verified this lawsuit at this time. Niebor says after months of waiting, he adds when the lawsuit was submitted, the union did hear back from the administration. He says they're planning to meet next week to start negotiations. Fox 17 reached out to Gibbs for comment. So far, we have yet to hear back. Reporting in the control room, I'm Matt Whitkos, Fox 17 News.